How to add to cart button in Shopify Collection Page. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how to add to cart button in Shopify Collection Page. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. What's the idea to set up that add to cart button below all of my items into the collection page, but by now these are some default products, because if I go into my dashboard in shopify.com and if I go into products, I don't have any products. So first of all, you need to create some products in order to continue with the process, and then you are gonna have some collections. So that's what we're gonna create first, and then we're gonna add that button to add to cart button. Okay, so I'm going to add some of my products. Remember that you must write a title, a description to upload a media in order to show a thumbnail. And I'm going just to create 2 products and to continue with the video. Okay, now I have 2 products, and if I go into collections, I can create a collection. This is gonna be the test collection. And I can add an image too into this collection. I'm going to select this. I'm going to click on save. And I must to create a tag for this collection. So this is going to be is equal to book, because one of my products is a book. So I'm going to click on save. And there it is. I have now my collection with a product. Okay, now if I go into my online store, I have my theme that is done, and I must click on customize. And there I'm going into this part, the upper part, and into the collection. So let's see if there appears. Yes, there it is, my collection, but there is no any button to add to cart. So I must to tap here into this grid, the product grid. And there is going to be an option that says enable quick add button. So that's the button add to cart. All that I must do is go into save. And now if I update here my store, I must be able to find that button add to cart into any of my products. And that's it. That's how you can set up add to cart button in Shopify. Thanks for watching.